And then a Fendi bag. We're at the men's section. Up to 60% off. They have this section that offers 50% off in all of these clothing, coat. So for example, this is 800 yen. So for example, this pants is 800, since 50% off, 440 yen na lang yan. Shoe Paradise. Uy, lahat din naman ng kahit mga Hapon nag-book off din sila. Second hand thrifting din sila. Punta din sila ng second hand. Yun. The good thing about Book of Super Bazaar is that all of their pants are in sizes from small, medium, large, extra large. Ganon dito ka organize. So hindi ka na mahihirapan talagang maghanap. Guys, itong Adidas na backpack, tingnan nyo. Ang price lang ay 800 yen. Parang bago pa.